China has some of the weirdest, craziest inventions you've ever seen. From robotic pets to portable beds, these 10 products will make you say, why does this even exist? Product 1. The umbrella for dogs. Product 1. The dog umbrella. Because why should humans be the only ones protected from rain? Your dog deserves luxury too. Product 2. The personal cooling helmet. In summer, forget sweating, this helmet cools your face with built-in fans. Looks weird, feels amazing. Product 3. The smart bed with auto heating. Meet the bed that knows more about your sleep than your doctor. It heats, tracks your REM cycles, and even hugs you. Emotionally, of course. Product 4. Delivery robot, food delivery. Nah, here it comes. On wheels. No driver, no tips, just a robot on a mission. Product 5. Self-cleaning shoes, hate dirty shoes. These bad boys clean themselves. Just press a button and magic. Product 6. Portable foldable chair bag, it's a backpack. No, it's a chair. Wait, it's both. Perfect for waiting in long lines or just being lazy in public. Product 7. Talking robot cat. Need a friend who never argues. This robot cat purrs, talks, and even follows you. Just don't try to feed it. Product 8. Solar-powered phone hat. Your phone dies, but the sun is shining. This solar hat turns sunlight into battery life. Welcome to eco-fashion. Product 9. Ear-cleaning headphones. These headphones play music and clean your ears. Multitasking just got way more personal. Product 10. Underdesk. Nap tent. Tired at work? Slide into this secret nap tent under your desk and disappear from responsibilities, temporarily. Outro: only in China can you find inventions this bold, weird, and kind of brilliant? Which one would you actually buy? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more crazy discoveries.